The Bray Series 768 slurry knife gate valve provides bidirectional bubble-tight isolation in aggressive slurry applications with a MSS SP81 face-to-face. Using a proprietary molding process and a fully encapsulated J-ring substrate, the sleeves are engineered to improve the elastic return time, thereby minimizing discharge as the gate opens. The secondary seal provides media containment and facilitates gate lubrication with each cycle without the need for adjustment. Choose from 3 rigorously tested elastomer materials to provide exceptional life in the most severe conditions. The Series 768 sleeves act as the mating flange gasket, allowing for a simpler installation. With easy slip-in, slip-out sleeves as the major wear component, field repair is fast and simple with no special tools required. There are no limits to the types of switches, solenoids, or accessories available to customize your product.